Walter Sisulu University applicants often become anxious after submitting their applications because they are unsure whether WSU has received their application, whether it is still being processed, or whether they have already been accepted. In this video, I will show you how to check your WSU application status, explain what the different statuses mean, discuss common problems students face, and explain what to do next. The quickest way to check your WSU application status is through the official WSU Status Check Portal. Open your browser and visit status.wsu.ac.za. Once the page loads, enter the required information and submit your details. The system will then display the latest information available about your application. If the Status Check Portal is unavailable, you may also use the WSU iEnabler system. The official iEnabler address is ienabler.wsu.ac.za. Students who already have login details can sign in and access various student services, including information related to applications, admissions, registration, and academic records. When checking your status, one of the first messages you may see is Application Received. This simply means that Walter Sisulu University has successfully received your application. At this stage, there is usually nothing else you need to do except monitor your application and wait for the admissions team to begin processing it. Another common status is pending or under review. This means your application is currently being evaluated by the university. The admissions office may be reviewing your academic results, checking admission requirements, or comparing applications for available spaces in the program you selected. If your status indicates that documents are outstanding or still required, you should take action as soon as possible. WSU may require documents such as a certified copy of your ID, grade 11 results, grade 12 results, your national senior certificate, or any other supporting documents needed to complete the evaluation process. Some applicants may receive a status indicating that they have been provisionally accepted. This is generally good news because it means the university intends to offer you a place, although certain requirements or final checks may still need to be completed before your admission can be fully confirmed. If your status shows accepted, congratulations. This means Walter Sisulu University has offered you admission into a program. Carefully read any instructions provided by the university. Monitor your email regularly and prepare for registration. You should also begin planning for accommodation, transport, and student funding if needed. Unfortunately, some applicants may receive an unsuccessful or rejected status. This means the university was unable to offer admission for that particular program. This can happen because admission requirements were not met, available spaces were limited, or the program received more qualified applicants than it could accommodate. If your application was unsuccessful, do not panic. Check whether your other program choices are still being considered. You can also explore alternative qualifications at WSU, apply to other universities that are still accepting applications, or consider upgrading your matric subjects before applying again in a future application cycle. One of the most common concerns students have is that their status has not changed for several weeks. In many cases, this is completely normal. Different faculties process applications at different times, and some programs take longer than others to finalize admission decisions. Another common problem occurs when students receive a no record found message. If this happens, carefully verify that you entered your ID number correctly. Also remember that recently submitted applications may take some time before appearing on the status system. Some students also forget their student number or application details. If this happens, check your email inbox for the application confirmation message sent by WSU. You can also check any SMS notifications you received during the application process or contact the university for assistance. If the website refuses to load or appears unavailable, the problem may be temporary. University systems often experience heavy traffic, especially around application deadlines and admission periods. Try using another browser, a different internet connection, or checking again later. Once you have been accepted, make sure you pay attention to registration dates and registration instructions. Prepare important documents in advance, including your identification document, academic results, proof of funding where applicable, and any other documents requested by the university. To summarize, the main WSU Status Check Portal can be accessed at status.wsu.ac.za, while the WSU iEnabler system is available at iEnabler.wsu.ac.za. Check your status regularly, respond quickly if additional documents are requested, and follow all instructions provided by the university to avoid unnecessary delays.